Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today our topic is analogy test. The first question is goiter is related to iodine. In the same way anemia is related to. Here deficiency of iodine causes goiter. So deficiency of iron causes anemia. So the answer is iron. Second question is sailor is related to ship and lawyer is related to. Here ship is the workplace of sailor. So the workplace of lawyer is court. Third question is bull is related to cow. Horse is related to. Here female is cow and male is bull. So male is horse. Female of horse is mare. Answer is B. Fourth question. Melt is related to liquid. Freeze is related to. Here when a substance melts it becomes the liquid. So when a substance freezes it becomes ice. Fifth question. Shoe is related to leather. Rubber is related to. Here leather is the primary material to make shoes. In the same way, latex is the primary material to make rubber. Let us see some more questions. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. First question is summer and raining. Options are Monday and Sunday, December, January, license driving and none of this. Here first we should find the relation between these two. We get rains, that is rainy season after summer. So summer becomes first and raining, that is rainy season comes next. Monday, Sunday. Here Monday comes after Sunday. So this is wrong. December and January. Here January comes after December. So this is correct. Second question is scale, fish. The relation between these two is scale is the outer layer of the fish. In the same way lady, dress, tree, leaves, skin and man. Here skin is the outer layer of the man. So option C is correct. Third question, milk and cream. The relation between milk and cream is, here cream is the total product made up of milk. Students and college, this is wrong. Sweet and sugar. We mix many ingredients other than sugar to make a sweet. So this is also wrong. Clay and pottery. The total product of the clay is pottery. So answer is C. Fourth question is journalist and news items. Here journalist collects the news items. Here also B collects the honey. So option A is correct. Other options are conductor and travelers, baker and bread, publisher and book. Here if conductor and tickets are given, this becomes right. So conductor and travelers is wrong. Baker and bread is also wrong. Option A, B collects the honey is correct. Fifth one is doctor, nurse is given. We should find the answer in the question mark and follower. Here nurse follows the instructions or commands given by the doctor. Now the follower follows the commands or the instructions given by worker, employer, leader or union. Here follower follows the instructions or commands given by the leader. So the answer is C. Sixth question is calendar and dates, dictionary. The options given are vocabulary, language, words and book. Here the former contains the latter, that is the calendar contains the date and the dictionary contains the words. Option C is correct. Seventh question is west, northeast, south. We should find the direction here. Let us draw the direction: east, west, north and south. Here west and northeast is, here we get west and northeast by moving 135 degrees towards clockwise. So for south we should move 135 degrees clockwise. We get the direction as northwest. Option A is correct. Eighth question is 500, 464. Here 480 is given, 3 and question mark is given. We get 100 by multiplying 5 with 20. We get 64 by multiplying 4 with 16. In the same way, by multiplying, we should multiply 4 with 20. We get 80. Now we should multiply 3 with 16. 3 into 16 is 48. Option B is correct. Ninth question is QPRS. TUVW is given and JIKL. Now first we should find the relation between these alphabets. On adding 3 to Q, we get T. On adding 5, we get U. On adding 5, we get V. And on adding 3, we get W. So the same relation should be taken. On adding 3, we get M. And on adding 5, we get N. For K, on adding 5, we get P. And for L, on adding 3, we get O. So the answer is M, N, P and O. The answer is option C. 11th question is given as ink, pen and paper. Now the relation between these three is By using ink in the pen, we write letters on the paper. So, watch, dial and step. There is no correct relation as in the question. Book, paper and words. Here also there is no correct relation as in the question. Color, brush and canvas. Okay? Color is used in the brush to work on canvas. Option C is correct. 11th question. Mountain, height, climber. Here the relation is the climber measures the height of the mountain. The same relation should be taken. River, length and water. No proper relation is found. Land, farmer and crop. This is also no proper relation is found. Here college, building, student. No proper relation. Sea, depth and diver. Diver measure the depth of the sea. Option D is correct. In this type of analogy test questions, we should have the same relation as in the question. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends. 12th question is slap, hit, kick. Options are each has one vowel only. They are exercises. The terms are used in wrestling. They are the ways of striking a person. Here option D is correct. We hit a person, we slap a person and we kick a person. So these are the ways of striking a person. 13th question. Water, glass, mirror. The options given are they are used in day-to-day life. They are without color. They are transparent. Reflection can be seen in them. The option is reflection can be seen in them is correct. 14th question. Dial, laid, layer, rail, yard. Here the relation is the alphabets are written in reverse order. L-A-I-D, R-A-I-L. So here the answer is D-R-A-Y. D-R-A-Y. Option A is correct. 15th question. Disease, medicine, famine and question mark is given. The options are drought, river, rainfall and waterfall. Here with proper medicine we can cure the disease. In order to cure the famine or in order to avoid the famine, we need sufficient rainfall. So rainfall is correct. Thanks for watching.